How's it, guys? Hope everyone's doing well. Today I've got a very important video for you guys, and I'm going to speak about what is actually happening with the current situation in the market, okay? So basically, I want to speak about Bitcoin dominance chart. This is the most critical chart to look at, especially for the altcoins, okay? So it's important that you guys listen carefully and understand exactly what I'm going to be saying here. This is so critical for taking trades within today and within the next week. Yeah. So what is the Bitcoin dominance chart? Basically, it shows you how strong Bitcoin is towards the other altcoins, and you can see that it's lost this critical support within today. Actually, right? This was this morning slash last night. Okay. So what does this mean? It means that all the money is going towards the altcoins, and Bitcoin is losing strength in the market, which means we need to be looking at focusing on longing and shorting altcoins because this is where the money is flowing into. So I'm actually looking at a lot of different coins today, and I'll show you exactly which ones I'm looking at. Currently, Chainlink, I'm actually long on Chainlink. I did take profit already, but basically my setup was very clean, just to hit that wick, and then I actually got stopped out at break even. But essentially, I'm looking at Chainlink to come up to around about 11.913 within today. So just be careful within the markets. But basically, we need to be focusing on all the altcoins. As you can see, even Solana still pumping from yesterday's pump, and you can see that a lot of um, money is flowing back into Solana. So even if you're looking at Solana today, I mean, it's up around about 2% on the day, which yesterday was up. If we have a look at the daily time frame, have a look here. From the open to the close, 6%. It's already up another 2.8% on the day. Okay. So what does this mean? It basically means that we need to be looking and focusing on these altcoins like Chainlink, Solana. We can have a look at crypto bubbles here. But this is very important, guys, because majority of these coins on a stock pumping here. We have Solana up 9% on the day, Rune's up, 14%, Atom's up 8.5%. All these altcoins in the start moving a lot. Okay. That's majorly just based on Bitcoin dominance chart using that critical support. And we could be seeing another 1.8% drop within Bitcoin dominance. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing today is focusing majorly just on the altcoins. I won't even look at Bitcoin, but we will touch on what I'm expecting for Bitcoin here today. We can see Bitcoin even maybe coming down to as low as 36,600, which is definitely a possibility. I'm looking at the 1 hour candle here, and we obviously broke this key level here, this level. So we basically were trading within this range. Yeah, you can see our price was trading within this level. And then what actually happened is we broke down and now we're retesting this 34,100 zone. Okay, so for me to take positions on Bitcoin, to be honest, I'm not going to take any positions on Bitcoin, especially with the dominance being so weak at the moment. I'm going to be focusing on Chainlink and all these other altcoins today. Okay, so Chainlink's obviously coming down here, but if Chainlink comes back up and flips bullish here, you could look at longing back up to 11.93, and I do think that we're going to see that within today. Obviously, the market is coming down a little bit here, but nothing too crazy. Um, yeah, so we did actually take a small little trade here. It was a very short-term scalp, um, and I was just expecting price to tap into the highs over here. But once Chainlink comes back up and closes back above 11.592, we're going to see a nice little rally back up to 11.93, 913. Okay. So keep your eyes on Chainlink, keep your eyes on Solana, keep your eyes on a couple of these coins. Yeah, APT is one of them. Yeah, so I'm going to be looking at APT here as well. We had that nice breakout, which was yesterday. Beautiful breakout to the high. So what I'll be looking at is potential long. You can see we're currently at the 618 retracements. So we could potentially look at a long at this level here for APT. Okay. So these levels are all getting tapped into relatively soon. So APT, we can look at a potential long here around about 5.3%. with a 1.6% stop loss, risk to reward of a 3.32. Definitely something I'm looking at. As long as Bitcoin does hold its key levels here, we should be good. And then obviously Chainlink, definitely looking at another long here. I will be looking to long Chainlink the whole day, just based on how strong it is at the moment. And when looking at market structure here, what is happening is still creating higher highs and higher lows. So basically, this is something to look at. Okay. So overall, guys, very, very bullish here for the altcoins. You can see even on the day, most of these coins are up, plus 5 to 10% on the day. So make sure you guys are focusing on the altcoins today, especially Chainlink, Solana, and APT. XRP is also one I'm looking at. Actually took a long this morning, didn't really play out, but what I'll be looking at, maybe a potential long at this key level here at 0.5673. Yeah. So important to watch out majorly just for the altcoins. Very, very important. Look at Bitcoin dominance. I mean, it's crazy. We've lost that level, and that's what I've been waiting for the whole week. So yeah, it looks very, very clean here. Let's have a look at total 3. So this is what we need to look at here. This is the market cap of Bitcoin. I mean, of all the altcoins except Bitcoin. You can see we're absolutely ripping here to the upside on the daily time frame. Very, very critical. Very, very critical here, guys. And we have broken this key level yesterday. There, right? Broken this level, retested this high. I mean, the altcoins can still pop back up to these highs over here. See this level over here at around about 376 billion. Very, very easy to get there today. So very, very critical, very important. Make sure you're looking at only altcoins today. Bitcoin, I mean, I'm looking at the chart behind me here. In front of me. Nothing too crazy. Bitcoin's not really going to do much today. If you want to look at Bitcoin, make sure you just look at these key levels that I've got on the chart here. 34,163. If we lose that level, you can take shorts. But I mean, it looks like we are holding that level. And if we hold this level, we're going to see a nice little pump here for a couple coins, especially Chainlink, which is why I am long here. I will take another long as well. Yeah. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like the channel. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe and beware. You might see 10 to 20% pumps within the next couple days. Yeah. Have a good day. Out.